Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, it's a Louis Vuitton day and I will be sharing to you their up and coming and latest Louis Vuitton bags. Yes, so of course, you know our practice here. I would be sharing everything you need to know from prices, product codes, SKU, product features, and launch dates would be noted here. So you know our drill here. Kindly ready your phones or laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availability, please check the website and your CAs. So guys, I'm inviting you all to please join me until the end of this episode and happy shopping guys! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you could easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please do help me reach by 4,000 subbies this year. I would really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Also, kindly like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! I'm very happy to share upcoming collections from Louis Vuitton launching March 2024. Prices, product features, launch dates are all included. Kindly take a screenshot and check with your CAs for pre-orders and availability. Happy shopping, guys! Alright, let us start first with the DAMIERLICOUS Collection. This collection would be launching March 15, 2024. First, we have the On-The-Go MM. Price is 2,550 euro. The color of this one is pistache. Hopefully, I'm pronouncing that right. And this is made of coated canvas in this pastel colorway in the new Dame print. Next, we have in the same colorway of pistache, we have Speedy20, price at 1,850 euro. So as you're going to see, it has untreated Vivienne or Vachetta leather with gold hardware, and we're going to see how beautiful the interior of the Speedy20 is. Next, we have, of course, the very beautiful Alma BB. Price is 1,700 euro. The colorway of this one is peach. Again, hopefully I'm not butchering that one. The interior is like a canary yellow, but it has a slip pocket with the DAMIERLICOUS design as well. So this is how the print looks like up close. Then, of course, we have SLGs. We have card holder. Price is 370 euro. We have SKU here. The color is, this one is pistache. So it would come with gold hardware, and how beautiful the colorway of the canvas is. It has card slot and it has one zippered compartment as well. Next, we have the Pochette Metis East-West. Price is 2,550 euro. Still part of the DAMIERLICOUS collection, and the colorway is peach. Material is the coated canvas in this new colorway of the new Dame print. It has untreated Vivienne. It has gold chain strap and leather crossbody strap. Next, of course, we have the very beautiful Neverfull size MM. Price is only 1,700 euro. Color is peach. So what I am loving about, of course, the Neverfull is the detachable pouch, as you could see in the very beautiful DAMIERLICOUS colorway as well. And then we have the Victorine Wallet. Price is 500 euro. In the colorway of peach. Material is coated canvas. So guys, so among the two colorway of the DAMIERLICOUS, the peach and the pistache, which is your favorite? I'm also predicting that this new canvas print would really be popular. Next, let's go to the new design bag. So this one is launching March 22nd, 2024. We have the Louis Vuitton Cano bag. Price is 2,500 euros. So this is a new design of a bucket bag by LV. The material is the classic monogram canvas with black leather trims and gold hardware. Then let us focus on the Louis Vuitton Bloom collection, which would be launching March 1st, 2024. First, we have the Capucine size MM. Price is 6,700 euros. So beautiful floral interior. And what I am loving is the Louis Vuitton enamel with 3D flower design detail, as you could see here. Next, we have the Capucines size BB. Price is 6,200 euro. Colorway of this one is poudre. Material, of course, is leather with detachable leather strap. And of course, the very beautiful Louis Vuitton logo with 3D flower design details. And then we have the Capucines size Mini. Price of this one is 5,600 euro. The colorway of this one is this very beautiful pink, Barbie pink. And of course, the interior is a lighter shade, but it comes with the floral design details with the 3D flowers on the Louis Vuitton logo of the Capucines bag. Next, still part of the Louis Vuitton Bloom collection, we have the Kuan PM. Price is 3,900 euro. The color of this one is rose in lambskin leathers. As you could see, of course, it has very beautiful interior, gold hardware, and it would come with 2 strap canvas and gold chain strap. Then we have the Capucines BB in this very beautiful blue celeste colorway. Price is 7,300 euro. The material of this one is a combination of leather and exotic ostrich. This is like their version of the Touch by Hermes. It would come in gold hardware with leather strap. Next, we have the Capucines Mini in the rose jasmine colorway. Would be part of the new permanent collection. So the price of this one is 5,300 euro. It would come with leather thicker strap with gold hardware. So as you're going to see, the interior is of the same colorway as well. Next, we have the color of quartz in Capucines BB. Price is 5,900 euro, launching March 1st, 2024. We have SKU here, so you're going to notice that the leather strap that it would come with would be the thinner version compared to the thicker one of the Capucines Mini. Next, we have the exotic bags by LV, which would be launching this month, February 2024. So for the prices of this one, I believe this is going to be available upon request via your CAs, but we do have the SKU here, so take a screenshot and counter check with your CAs if you are liking anything so far here from the Speedies, from the Capucines bag. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a star emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! So guys, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!